Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to solve alternate positive and negative numbers. And before starting today's video, please like and share. And if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an unsorted array and which are containing both positive and negative numbers. Your task is to create an array of alternate positive and negative numbers without changing the relative order of positive and negative numbers. Okay, what they say, basically we have given an array which are containing both positive and negative numbers. So we have to create an array which are alternate, means alternate positive and negative number. Means first we will consider, let's suppose first element value is positive and next element value is negative, and then third element again value is positive and fourth one is negative, one after another, positive negative positive negative, in this order we have to arrange an array. So, and also mention without changing relative order, means we can't change the position of the order when we sort the array positive and negative. We can't change their position. We have to manage using relative order. That's it. Now go to example. In first example given, this array, let's change color. Okay, here this array. First, what we have to some make sort the array positive and negative. So in this given array we have to make first positive array. Make, what are the positive elements? First 9 4 9 4, then 5 0 0 also positive number, 5 0, and then last one 2. Okay, these are positive numbers in this given array. And now negative numbers are, now arrange, store the negative numbers. What are the negative? First negative number is -2. So you can't change the position of the value. So first negative value is -2, second negative value is -1, -1, and third negative value is -5, -5, and fourth negative value is -3, -3. Now we have to merge these both arrays, positive and negative both arrays. So after merging, like it will be new array. It will be new array. Now this array will be, first element is 9, first element is 9, and then next element is because we have maintained the order using relative order. So first element will become positive and next element will become negative. So first element is positive, then we have to what is the first position in negative element? -2. So -2 come after this, and then second positive number is 4. Second positive number is 4. Okay, 4. Then second negative number is -1, -1, and then third positive number is 5, 5, and then third negative number is -5, -5, and then fourth positive number is 0, and fourth negative number is -3, and fifth positive number is 2, and there are no any fifth negative number. So we will close the array, and now it is our updated array using relative orders and using alternate, all are these alternate positive and negative numbers, and it will be the output. This array will be the output. This is the output. Okay, now in next example, let's remove this. Okay, okay. Now in next example, example given array, first we will store the positive and negative numbers. And positive numbers first, positive. What is the first positive number? In this first positive number is 5. Okay, now write down 5, and then second positive number is 2, and then third positive number is 4, and fourth positive number is 7, and fifth positive number is 1, and sixth positive number is 8, and seventh positive number is 0. Next one is negative, so not need to insert. Now we stored all the positive numbers in given array. Now we will store the negative numbers in the given array. Now what are the negative numbers? First negative number position is minus 5, and second negative number is minus 2, and third negative number is minus 8. Now we have to merge these positive and negative both array. So after merging it will be, and also note that we have to maintain alternate order. Means first we will count the positive, then next one will count to negative in this way. Okay. So first it will be after merging. After merge it will be first positive value is 5. So write down 5, and first negative value is minus 5. So write down minus 5, and second positive value is 2, and second negative value is 2 minus 2, and third positive value is 4, and third negative value is minus 8, and fourth positive value is 7, and there are no any fourth negative value, so simply insert the all remaining positive values. So simply remaining all positive values, 7 after 1, and 1 after 8, and 8 after 0. So put all the values remaining, and this is the our updated array, and in output it will showing this array is our output. Is our output. Okay. Now, what is the time complexity and space complexity in this? Time complexity and space complexity both are O of n. N is the number of the elements in the given array. Because we traverse or we count the elements. Count means not we store the elements positive and negative. So we will need to elements in the array. So it will represent a O of n. Both are same complexity. Same complexity. Now go to approach. In approach basically we first separate the positive and negative numbers in examples we have done it, and then we partition the process using quick sort, and then we partition the process, consider 0 as the value of pivot element, and all the negative numbers are placed before positive numbers, and once negative number and positive number are separated, then we start from the first. We arrange the numbers using alternate position, and that's it in this way. Now go to code, and in code first we initialize two variable positive and negative, and this first variable will store the positive numbers, and this negative variable will store the negative numbers, and then we separate the positive and negative both numbers. So for that we create a for loop, and it will goes to if number is greater than or equals to 0, then it will go to positive number go to add in from this number, and then we merge the alternate order, and these for both positive and negative, this positive and negative both pointers will traverse, and it will result the array, and then we append the remaining elements from the positive or negative array using this two while loop. That's it, and it will return the alternate array using positive and negative numbers, alternative array. So now compile and run. Okay, it's compiled. Now submit. We solved today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you in next video. Still and bye.